the police, and all the team that you pulled together to respond to this national tragedy. We from Ghana guys are really appreciative of the efforts you put in. We are more or less a corporate citizen of this corridor because we have a pipeline not too far away that is going all the way from Christia and is heading towards Kinangini and Kumasi. So we consider this community as really one of our communities, project communities, that is very dear to our hearts. This certainly is not a time really for us to talk too much. We are here simply for two things: to provide some emotional support and also to provide some financial support to the victims and certainly to the community. And I speak on behalf of the board and management and staff of Ghana Gas when I say that we are going to be there throughout this recovery process. And whatever you need us for, we're going to be there to provide the assistance that we can give. So Chief, once again, thanks to you and your team for all that you've done so far. Thank you very much.
This place where the exposed done. So after we are doing excavation like maybe yesterday, we started yesterday. Maybe today or tomorrow we'll finish. Today or tomorrow we'll finish the excavation. We already started putting the boulders on it. So maybe from today, tomorrow, we can start our layers up to maybe 1 week time.
How bad does the explosive affect the road?
It's very bad because yesterday we started digging the place. We know that it's a very, very loose. So unless we take off the loose material before we put.
Is it going to affect almost all of the road?
No. We realized that it's some portion, almost about 50 to 100 meters. Then we started to do
it. Is your name?
I'm Nicholas. That's welcome.
How soon are you going to finish?
Nicholas, the champion.
Okay, you said in a week.
That's welcome.
Your position? Your position?
East-West 4-man.
East-West. 4-man. Okay, thank you. Yeah.